Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way, trying to walk back from China to my home in Germany. The sun is very bright. I should. Is that better? You can't see me like this, right? So, okay. Today is August the 25th, 2018. We're in Azerbaijan. I just woke up in this hotel here. It's in an industrial zone. It's very blue and very big, and I think it used to be quarters for workers probably, and it has a pool, but I didn't go into the pool because I was too tired when I got here. And no, but it was a good hotel. I would definitely recommend it. And what else is there to say? Yeah, today being August the 25th means that the German Chancellor, Angela Merkel, will arrive in Baku today. Baku is over there. So I figured I too, Chris on the longest way, and she too, the caboose, we will also arrive in Baku today. I don't know if we have time though. You know, like for some tea with Merkel. We're very busy. We gotta walk. We gotta eat apples. I got a bunch of apples that I'm looking forward to, and some bread that I'm not that much looking forward to. Maybe I'll give it to a cow, or a dog, or a horse. See those tracks? Left the highway for a little bit because this here looked very interesting. Wow. The ground is so soft, I keep sinking it. Oh, and there's oil here? Who would have known? I'm gonna put up the camera here and take a time lapse. That's what I'm gonna do. The ground is flickering. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit warm. I'm not hot, you're hot. So I'm gonna sit here and look at the camera for like a half hour. This is so awesome. use the highway, if only for a short time, but yeah, this is nice. The last place that we were over there, you know, we walked around the lake here, and this thing is a sort of a bridge thingy or a dam. There's another part of the lake over there. We're going to cross here and go to the right and hope that this road is going to take us into Baku. That would be awesome, because the highway sucks, but this is good. I will say one thing though. Of all the towns I've ever walked into, Baku seems to be the most unfriendly towards walkers. And I don't mean the people, I mean the roads. Baku and Mashhad. Mashhad was terrible too. But here I left the highway down there and I crossed the lake. I think you can even see it. Only because I wanted to not be on a highway. And then there's another highway here. And you can't cross it, you can't walk around. There's no other way. It's just the highway. Oh man. And down there was the same. Just the highway. If you're on a bicycle, screw you. If you're on a tractor, screw you. If you're with your horse, whatever, screw you. And if you're walking, one big screw you to you. Now you might be saying, isn't that a way there? I don't know. I've asked people and nobody was able to tell me. It leads to the police. So I don't know if I could take it and then end up there with the police. I don't know. It's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. It's horrible. Hello. How are you doing? Yeah. Can't see her, can you? But she's there. Up on my camera. Oh, what are you doing? Don't. Finally, I've arrived in a quiet place. Well, semi-quiet. But at least it's not the main road. And yeah, if you look down there, Baku. I guess I should know these skyscrapers or whatever they are. Tentacles. But I don't look at too much, I don't know, visual stuff about places that I'm going to visit. At least not new stuff, because I want to have a fresh sort of impression of a place. So I like to look at old photos, paintings, but not new stuff. So I'm a little bit surprised. They got tentacles. Okay. And yeah, I need a break. And I will get a break. We'll stay here for a while. That's a fox? That's an, I don't know if there was a fox there. Okay, that's sort of, that's kind of cute about Baku. You got little foxes running around. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here for a few days. Then probably, no, definitely have to leave the country to make a new visa for Azerbaijan and come back, and I haven't quite figured out where I'm gonna go. Probably Kazakhstan, but I don't know. Oh, now the tentacles are in the color of the flag. Sure, why not? Alright, you guys, if you liked the video, check out the blog. It's thelongestway.com, or share the video and listen to the bruisers. Some people, they like the Dropkick Murphys. I despise those people. I look down on them. There's nothing likable about the... Well, I'm being an asshole, aren't I? Nah, you can like your Dropkick Murphys, but really what you should like is the bruisers. I've been listening to Iron Chin on repeat. The bruisers, the bruisers, the bruisers. Hey, nice, that's the police. What? Hello, yeah. What do you want? Oh, god damn it. Salam.
Salam.
Tourist.
Ne turist?
Ah,
Ara turist.
man turist. Alman.
Nereden geldin?
Piyade. Peşkom.
Nereden geldin?
Alman. Turist.
Almanya'dan geldin sen ha?
Из Китая, Çin.
Ya da
А,
pasport есть?
конечно есть. Давай. Alright, we gotta do this now.